In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form and link it all in just about 5 minutes. First off, we're diving into the world of Google Forms, an incredible tool for gathering information, whether it's for event RSVPs, feedback surveys, or even quizzes. The power of Google Forms lies in its simplicity and integration with other Google applications. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Google Forms. If you're not already signed into your Google account, Google will prompt you for your credentials. You'll enter your email, proceed to the next screen, input your password, and hit the sign in button to move forward. This step is crucial as it ensures that your form is saved and accessible across your Google Drive. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to start building your form. On the Google Forms dashboard, you'll be greeted with several options. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a new form from scratch. Look for the plus icon, often accompanied by the text blank or plus. Clicking this will open up a brand new form, a blank canvas for you to customize. As you dive into the creation of your form, you'll notice the intuitive interface Google offers. Adding questions is as simple as typing your question and selecting the question type from multiple choices, checkboxes, short answer, and more. Spend some time here crafting your form, making sure it serves its intended purpose. Customization is key, so take advantage of the various options to tweak the look and feel of your form. Once your form is all set and you're happy with the questions and layout, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world, or at least with your intended audience. To do this, look for the Send button located at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will present you with several sharing options, but we're specifically interested in creating a shareable link. After clicking Send, you'll see an icon that resembles a chain link. This is appropriately named as it's your gateway to generating a shareable link. Click on this icon and you'll see your form's unique URL appear. But we're not done yet. Make sure to click the copy button adjacent to the URL. This action copies the link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste into emails, social media posts, or anywhere you wish to share your form. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes or so, you've successfully created a Google form and prepared a link to share with participants. Remember, the responses to your form will be neatly organized and accessible from the form's interface, allowing you to analyze data efficiently and effectively. Thank you for walking through these steps with me. Whether you're organizing an event, collecting feedback, or conducting research, Google Forms is a versatile and powerful tool that simplifies the process. Happy form creating.